Hello traders, today is 17th of July, first trading day of the week. What an amazing trade, guys. We had a beautiful short trade on the pound dollar, and let me share with you guys. If you look at here, pretty straightforward. Previously price respected in 4 hour. That's what explained my trader. Let's see here if the market is going to respect, then possibility of short trade here. So in intraday we had such a nice beautiful short trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, you can see a London morning session. This is a pretty straightforward, the price nicely broken. And if you look at the price structure, you can see here price developed head and shoulder pattern, broken this previous low, beautiful short trade here. And afterwards at the New York session, as explained by trader, just take another pullback short trade here, and you can see here pretty straightforward, price nicely broken, beautiful. And technically you can see here the price develop a pullback around this level. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the first target, as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze the market. If you want to see all that analysis in real time, so most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.